Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the phone's location system so apps can use it. Open Settings, find Location or Privacy, and flip Location Services on. This powers GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell triangulation. Once done, make sure to pick a mode like High Accuracy to combine GPS plus Wi-Fi for faster and more precise fixes. You should also go into App Permissions now and grant only the apps you trust. This prevents unnecessary background tracking while keeping the functions you need. Next, configure each app so location is available when you want it. Tap an app in Permissions and pick Allow only while using or Ask every time. This reduces constant access and saves battery. If an app doesn't need continuous tracking, disable background location to prevent leaks and power drain. Also check the app's battery and data settings because system restrictions or data limits can block location updates, so make sure the app is allowed to run when needed. And finally, verify accuracy and fix common issues. Open Maps and look for the blue dot. If it's stale, force a location refresh or move to an open area for better satellite visibility. If problems persist, restart the phone, toggle airplane mode, and recalibrate the compass because cached data or sensors can misbehave. If nothing improves, reset network or location settings to clear misconfigurations. Troubleshooting tip: if an app still fails, check that system battery savers or custom ROM settings aren't blocking location services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.